Gaining weight is easy if you know how to do it. And remember, exercise is must. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is an inexpensive source of protein and healthy fats. You can spread it on toast, add it to smoothies, or eat it by the spoonful. Eggs. Eggs are an affordable source of protein and healthy fats. You can boil them, scramble them, or make an omelette. Whole grain bread. Whole grain bread is a good source of complex carbohydrates and fiber. You can use it for sandwiches or toast. Bananas. Bananas are an affordable source of carbohydrates and potassium. You can eat them as a snack or add them to smoothies. Rice. Rice is a convenient, low-cost carb source to help you gain weight. Just 1 cup, 158 grams, of cooked white rice provides 204 calories, 44 grams of carbs, and very little fat. Rice is also fairly calorie-dense, meaning you can easily obtain a high amount of carbs and calories from a single serving.